Sarouk Persian rugs have a rich and fascinating history that spans centuries. Originating from the Sarouk village in the Iraq province of Iran, these exquisite rugs have been renowned for their exceptional quality, intricate designs, and vibrant colors. The history of Sarouk rugs dates back to the 17th century when the village of Sarouk was a major center for rug production. During this time, the village was inhabited by skilled weavers who had migrated from other parts of Persia, modern-day Iran. These weavers brought with them their expertise and traditional techniques, which they combined with local materials and designs to create a unique style that would become synonymous with Sarouk rugs. In the 19th century, Sarouk rugs gained popularity among European collectors and traders who were drawn to their exceptional quality and beauty. This demand led to an increase in production, and Sarouk rugs became one of the most sought-after types of Persian rugs. Characteristics of Sarouk rugs are known for their distinctive characteristics, which include intricate designs. Sarouk rugs feature intricate floral patterns, often with a central medallion and corner spandrels. The designs are typically curvilinear, with delicate vines and tendrils that create a sense of movement and fluidity. Vibrant colors. Sarouk rugs are renowned for their vibrant colors, which are achieved through the use of natural dyes. The palette typically includes shades of red, blue, green, and yellow, which are carefully balanced to create a harmonious and visually striking effect. High-quality wool. Sarouk rugs are made from the finest quality wool, which is sourced from local sheep. The wool is soft, lustrous, and durable, making it ideal for rug production. Tight knotting. Sarouk rugs are known for their tight knotting, which creates a dense and plush pile. This tight knotting also allows for intricate designs and patterns to be woven with precision and clarity. Production process. The production process for Sarouk rugs is labor-intensive and time-consuming. Here's an overview of the steps involved. Design. The design process begins with a sketch or drawing of the desired pattern. The design is then transferred to a graph paper, which is used as a guide for the weavers. Warping. The warp threads are stretched on a loom, which is typically vertical or horizontal. Weaving. The weavers use a combination of wool and cotton threads to weave the rug. The knotting technique used is typically the asymmetrical knot, which is characteristic of Persian rugs. Finishing. Once the rug is complete, it is washed and dried to give it a soft, lustrous finish. Symbolism and meaning. Sarouk rugs are not just beautiful works of art. They also carry deep symbolism and meaning. The designs and patterns used in Sarouk rugs often have specific meanings and interpretations, such as floral patterns representing the beauty and bounty of nature. Central medallion, symbolizing the center of the universe and the connection between heaven and earth. Corner spandrels representing the four corners of the earth and the four elements. Conclusion. Sarouk Persian rugs are a testament to the skill and craftsmanship of Persian weavers. With their intricate designs, vibrant colors, and high-quality materials, Sarouk rugs are truly works of art that have been cherished for centuries. Whether you're a collector, a decorator, or simply someone who appreciates beauty, Sarouk rugs are sure to captivate and inspire.